Hello everyone. This video, I will show you how to use Excel function SUMPRODUCT to rearrange data in a matrix format that can be used in pivot tables. In one of my previous videos, I have shown how to use functions index and match to get the same results. And also in another video using function HLOOKUP and VLOOKUP combined with function match to get similar results. So here's the data. So this list here is in matrix format. You can see the row of years and column F country. So this is pivot table format. Column A, field country. Column B, field year. And column C is writing a formula in order to get data here to fill in. So the way we write SUMPRODUCT, the good thing about function SUMPRODUCT is unlike some ifs, which can only see rows or columns, SUMPRODUCT is actually two-way. So it can look up by rows right here, also columns right here. So this is how we write it. Function SUMPRODUCT, and the first group in parentheses is your first criteria, which is, you can see highlighted in column F, should be equal to your criteria, which is cell A2, Argentina. Then you write times, like product multiply. Second criteria is actually years right here, which is equal to, you want it looks up the year 2012. Then the last group is going to be data. See this area here, this array here, it's actually for the data. So look it up, criteria 1 times criteria 2 and times your data. That's going to bring you the data in here. So let's look at Argentina 2012. You see the 79,981. And let's look up another one. For example, Argentina 2022, 88,469. So moving on, Australia right here, 2012 to 56,872 right here, right? And so all the way to 2022, 412, 543, 412, 543. Voila, it's a pretty neat way to get the data. So this wraps up my presentation. And if you like it, please subscribe to YouTube channel and stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching.